Yeah, we have been dealing with a little bit of a wind this morning, gust about 15 to 20 miles per hour. But yeah, we saw the snow yesterday. I want to start off with a couple pictures that I got from my Facebook page. Megan sent this in. She was kind of joking about it. She titled it, "My Car Has Jokes." As I get up and get moving this morning, this is out of Indianola. She says, "Got snow, now want mine." So I don't think Megan was a fan of getting the snowfall yesterday into the overnight hours. We're waking up at 2.3 inches of snow. That was the official total here in Des Moines. 28 right now with some flurries in the area. There's that wind at northwest at 14, so the wind chill this morning starting off in the teens. Current conditions statewide, generally in the mid to upper 20s. Temperatures are going to stay pretty close to this for the day. I don't think we're going to warm up too much due to the fact that we have some pretty thick cloud cover out there. Wind chill this morning statewide, 15 in Algona, nearly a foot of snow there, 14 in Ames, and Lamoni starting at 14. So we're under that northwesterly flow, so you can see the clouds moving from north to south. So that's really going to be the trend for today, with flurries in there from time to time. A little bit more organized light snow showers in eastern Iowa that will be making its way to the south. So your KCCA News app forecast hour by hour keeps your temperature in the mid to upper 20s this morning. Notice how we just don't warm up too much today. Again, the northwest wind will stay with us, gust about 20, and then overnight tonight skies will stay mostly cloudy with temperatures dipping down into the upper teens. So Futurecast generally stays fairly quiet. The only thing you're going to see on here are pretty much some clouds throughout the daytime period into the overnight hours. You can follow the timeline. Now, once we get into tomorrow, things change just a bit. I think we'll start off mostly cloudy, but if you look here in getting into the morning and early afternoon, it looks like the clouds thin out just a little bit. So I think we may see some filtered sunshine before clouds start to thicken back up as the day progresses. And that's going to lead to another system that comes in on Saturday that could bring us maybe some light snow showers. So today, those flurries will be around, a bit of a breeze. Low tonight right around 19 here in the metro area. About 28 for tomorrow, and then Saturday we're watching the chance for a little light snow moving through. That should exit on Sunday, leaving us partly sunny to partly cloudy by Monday. Look at that, 43 though, much warmer with more sunshine expected Tuesday through Thursday.